Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. And when we talk about luxury furniture, designer furniture, premium furniture, teak wood furniture, carving furniture, the name that comes to mind is Aarsun Furniture. And I'm not just saying it. We have done so much work, so many designs, so many models in different colors, sizes, patterns, and fabrics, and we have delivered them across the globe. This set is going to Switzerland, just a 311 and a table. This is the requirement of the client, and this is what we have completed, and now it's going for client's place. The basic always remains at Arson is choice wala furniture, and choice means everything: the size, the design, the pattern, number of seats you want bigger set, you want smaller set, and the location. You want it in India, you want it outside India, and we are doing it for global clients. There are several things we are so happy about being Arson. The first thing is we have revived the carving furniture all across India. If you remember, if 10 years back you visit any showroom you have visited, you would have found the plain furniture, Chinese furniture, and mostly very simple or modern furniture that is fully cushioned, that kind of furniture. But these days, if you visit any showroom, any proper showroom, you will find at least one sofa set or one product that is carved. And this is what Arson has done. We have revived the wood carving furniture demand back in India, and not just India, outside India also. As I mentioned, this one is going to Switzerland. We have delivered in 57 countries, decorated homes globally. And the best part is everything you're looking at here is handcrafted. This is not fiber, this is not resin, this is not out of some die cast that we remove the panel and the cast is out. This is not that. This is actual, real, solid teak wood. And the teak wood is carved so beautifully, so amazingly well that you have a royal designer sofa set sitting right here. I'll show you everything. I'll show you the double carving part, the back carving also. But what I'm trying to say here is that this is manual work done by artisans, local artisans, master artisans. And whenever you buy something from Arson, you give work to a lot of people. So not just money, we are generating work for a lot of people. It's a three-seater. We have two chairs. This is the royal throne style sofa set. So whenever we sit on it, the real feeling of a maharaja throne comes. You can see the crown at the back, and the space I have, the spacious design, the overall sitting space, the comfort, and the look. That's the most important thing, because when we are thinking about a royal setup, generally this kind of setup makes sense. It looks amazingly beautiful, and it justifies the place as well. If we talk about a three-seater, the out and out size of a three-seater is 7 feet. The back height is 54, 4.5 feet, 54 inches. Front to back, this is 30 inches, 2.5 feet. It's a double carved sofa. I'll show you the back of the unit as well. Let me show you the chair first. And it's a heavy unit. It's not that easy to move. You may have seen several videos online where people are showing you furniture and they simply move it like this. They pick up the table and then move it, flip it like this. Generally, those items are made in resin or fiber. I must say, fiber is similar to the plastic chairs that you have in your home. So that is also plastic fiber kind of thing. So that furniture that you see in online videos, mostly very flowery, very colorful kind of thing, and looking very heavy, is mostly in resin. But here, this is solid teak wood. It's not that easy to move. It's not that easy to pick because it's very heavy. So you need a couple of people to hold the stuff and then pick it up. And the back carving I'm talking about. So the carving we have on the front, similarly we have got carving on the back. And how is it good? The question is double carving. How is it beneficial? See, generally when we are not placing the entire set on the walls, generally let's see, we have three walls, and this one is going to this wall, this one is going to this wall, and the sofa is going to the bigger wall. So the entire back is covered right now, as you can zoom here. Let's imagine we have wall here, so it's covered completely. But when this is visible, when you are putting the set right in the middle of the room, at that time, this back view, you can see the heavy carving, the overall color. This back view gives amazing look. and this is possible only in hand carving. This cannot be done by machine or CNC or some other thing. Even in this resin thing, they have got issues to get something like this, because the connecting thing in resin connection is the most important thing, and this is what we are doing. And not just sofa, in dinings, in several other items, jhulas, we have done it, and it's beautiful thing, amazing thing. And wherever we place like this, it looks really different, really amazing. I'll sit on it so you can see the entire view is made in parts, three parts. The seats are removable seats, and the cushion again is as per your choice. You can get a fixed seat, a single seat. You can get two-part seat or a three-part seat. So all these things we discuss with you when we are taking the order. Let me show you the view here, what I'm talking about. And this is in metallic gold. This is not regular gold. This is not antique gold. This is metallic gold, the real gold color, as you can see here, and a gold sofa right here. I'll sit in the middle so you can see the real crown part. And this is what the Maharaja sofa is, a sofa with a crown. Because Maharajas, kings, queens all have a crown mostly, and that crown justifies their position as well. The chair is 42 inches to 3.5 feet, 42 inches, 3.5 feet, and back is 54, 4.5 feet, and 30 inches, 2.5 feet front to back. And this is the chair. I just sat on that one also. Along with that, we have a 4 feet by 2 feet table with carved top, again metallic paint. And this is all what we have in this set. I've shown you this set earlier. In fact, 5 to 7 times I made videos. We have made in antique gold color. I think we have made in wooden finish also, and different colors also. But this by far is the most like color, because when we are talking about royal or gold, metallic gold justifies the basic idea of the royalty. Coming back to Aarsun, as I mentioned, we have choice wala furniture. So you let us know what you want, size, design, color, pattern, fabric, and we will make it according to your choice at factory price. The brand and quality of Aarsun, we are delivering 57 countries all over India. It's an international trademark. Several awards we have won for our furniture, and the satisfaction and the happiness of the client, that is of prime importance, because no one is better than the client himself, who can justify what we are doing. And the long list of testimonials on the website will tell you how our clients feel, because only a happy client will take a picture, send it to us, and ask us to put it on the website or in the testimonial sections. So if the clients are not happy, we cannot get the pictures. They will not send us the pictures. You can understand that. And the price, as I mentioned, factory price. Number is right here. Please contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.